focus to big news that we're tracking as far as the movie Emergency is concerned, because Kangana's Emergency, that is the film, certificate row is what we're given to understand, where the Bombay High Court has pulled up the censor board. Let's tell you the details that we are picking up at the moment as far as this controversy that is concerned. Now, the CBFC cites law and order concerns, but the High Court has stated law and order, not the CBFC's concern. Let's also tell you that the High Court has stated can't curtail freedom of expression. Nilesh Shukla, my colleague, joins me for more. Nilesh, good afternoon. Clearly, what we've essentially looked at this, we are given to understand the film was supposed to release at least 2 weeks back. That didn't happen. It found itself in that particular dock. Now, with these remarks coming, safe to say, while you take us to the quick takeaway, that is it also a slight relief for the makers?
Well, good afternoon to you. Yes, there seemed to be a slight relief to the makers, to the petitioners. However, while speaking and listening to the matter, the Bombay High Court's judges, that is Justice Poonawala and Kolabawala, expressed their concerns about the delay in the release, and in particularly why there is no particular reason or a very strong reason that is the CBFC is failing to give to the court. Because what the CBFC had claimed that there are some factual errors which is mentioned into this film which may create law and order situation or tension into state of Punjab and Haryana in particular, which will be soon poll bounding. However, High Court pulled up the CBFC advocate and mentions that how the individuals or the citizens of our country are not so naive to believe in a fake propaganda if there's any trying to be spread through a film. They can access to internet, and law and order situation is something that the agencies should be concerned about, the ministry should be concerned about, and not a board like CBFC should be concerned. While listening to matter and coming heavy upon the CBFC, the court mentions that the upcoming date, that is on 25th of September, the CBFC has to finalize whether it will be giving certification to the film or not giving certification to the film, along with some solid backing as to why that decision has been taken. Meanwhile, the political development also was a point of argument wherein the petitioner mentions that how because the co-producer is belonging to a particular party, the CBFC is intentionally making delay into release of the film. And now it seems like the trouble or the delay is continuing, because this is the second time that the release of the film, the date is postponing. However, High Court mentions that
has been delayed. That's right, Nilesh. I'd have to interject you there for the moment, but thank you very much for taking us to the key takeaways as far as what the remarks are concerned, and more importantly, what this means for the film and the makers at the moment. Having said